Across the heartland, it's time for the county fair.
But as WOWT 6 News' Aaron Murray tells us, thanks to the bird flu, county fairs and other events are having to come up with a plan B.
As the Washington County Fair prepares for its 97th year, much is the same. The rides are in place, families are filtering in, and most of the 4-H livestock are in their barns. 8-year-old 4-H'er Mason Stoddard definitely knows his favorite animal.
I like the part when you always walk in and you always hear the roosters crowing and all the hens clucking and all that.
But those sounds will not be coming from the poultry barn this year. This is video from 2 years ago.
Last year, more than 275 different species of poultry filled these cages, and they were expecting the same numbers this year. But then the bird flu hit.
Empty cages now fill the barn because no birds are allowed.
I was going to bring one of my old Englishes, but since I can't do that, I think I might just take the pictures of them.
4-H leaders are doing what they can to still make it fun. The young kids will get to decorate stuffed chickens and their cages.
For the 4-H kids, we're still going to offer our showmanship classes, which are just like they sound, showmanship based on the child having knowledge of the bird they're showing. And they're still going to be able to do that, but they're going to use pictures instead of their live birds this year.
Even without his chickens, though, Mason is determined to still make the best of it. This year, the stars of the poultry and rabbit barn will just have to go to the pretty cute hares. In Washington County with Chase Moffitt, Aaron Murray, WOWT 6 News.
The fair actually continues tonight at 7 with a rodeo and goes through Wednesday of next week.